How to fix Roblox. Please confirm your identity and unknown error occurred. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, we will learn how we can fix if Roblox says that an unknown error has occurred and it asks us to verify our identity. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, aside from your account settings and so on, it could be the problem with the Roblox service itself. So you want to go to status.roblox.com, of which I'll also make sure to drop a link below, and make sure that all of the functions are actually working properly. So you can see the user section, the website, mobile app, Xbox and avatar. You can see the player section, which has website, mobile app as well again, and you can also see the creator section. Make sure that all of this is actually operational, or else you can also simply wait until the server maintenance has actually ended, because you can see players and creators experience without service disruption. Now after that, what you can try to do is you can go to test your internet connection by going to speedtest.net and then check the latency of your speed and so on to find the nearest ping as well as one of the highest and the lowest pings. So just click on the go button to test your server network connection strength, and after that you'll be able to successfully check. Now if your server network connection is quite slow, you may need to do some of the things to fix it, such as limiting the number of devices that are connected to your network connection and making some changes to it as well. After that, you can simply open up a new tab and you can try to log in to roblox.com from incognito mode. So just click on the three dots and then go to incognito mode and then log into your account by going to roblox.com to prevent browser extensions from causing the issue, because the browser extensions could also be causing this issue. Sometimes it could also be the issue with your account. Maybe you've not verified your email address or anything else. So you want to click on the gear icon, go to settings, and make sure you verify your email address as well as your phone number. So just go to the option called phone number, add phone, and then email address, add email address again. After that, you want to simply go ahead and open the settings application, and then you want to go to the option called network and internet. You want to switch to VPN and make sure VPN is turned off. A VPN is very useful, but sometimes it can cause a network connection to be quite unstable and very slow. So you want to make sure to simply turn off VPN, uninstall and reinstall the Roblox application again, and see if that fixes the issue. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.